Hey guys, it's Miss Rachel here. So I'm going to explain to you what your kids are going to do every single day. So if you borrowed a Chromebook from the school, you're going to, when you open it up, it automatically goes to the Win Primary Symbaloo page. If you're using a device at home, you're going to need to type in winprimary.symbaloo.com. So once you go to that web page, where they're going to go every single day is this little icon right up here at the very top called Buzz. It is going to be where they start off every single day. So I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to log in. There's one of the kids. Let me get my email out of there. So let's see. And this information for them to log in is on the sheet that was given to you. You also were mailed an updated copy, but you were given this, and it's a series of numbers for the login. So when they log in, it'll open up just like this. The first place that they always need to go is going to be this Emberton Phonics Math and More. So you're going to click on it. You're going to scroll down and click on Week 1 assignments. Right here is everything you need to know. It's going to say Monday, it's going to tell you what phonics, math, ELA, which is your handwriting, reading and writing and grammar, science and social studies, and special classes. Now, these first 3 columns are your required columns. That's what you need to focus on first. The science, social studies, and special classes are optional. There are some great things to do, but you don't have to feel obligated to do them every day. So this is exactly what your child would have to do on Monday. Then, on Tuesday, you can see, scroll down, there's a video to watch. Now, if I click on a link, see, it'll let me go out and it'll click onto another page. This is an outside link on Zearn, so they would need their Zearn login. Now, these Lincoln Learning Lesson, it says Lincoln Learning Lesson 1. I'm going to go back. I'm going to go back to the home page right there. I'm going to go over into the language arts. And guess what? Right there, I can see it. Okay. So, I can see my activities and I can complete them. Now, if you ever log in, you're like, hey, this activity is listed on the sheet and I don't see it, give me a call. I could have made a mistake. So every day, that's what they're going to do. I will Zoom with the kids every day at 9:30, and I will put that link also in their email. I'm going to drop it in Remind, but I'm also going to put it right here in this phonics column. Okay? That's where it's always going to be. So you'll be able to see it right there every day. So if you have any problems logging in tomorrow, shoot me a text. I'll have my phone number. Send me a message on Remind. I am going to be live with the kids tomorrow at 9:30. So I'm going to explain all these steps to them. But I wanted you to know how to do it on your own. You guys have a great afternoon.